my Publix haul for the Publix Heist. I call it a heist because it paid me, yeah. This is $69.47. With the goods, it's all said and done, they paid me $18.21. This is till January 6th. So the reason this was such a good one was I got lucky here on 2 Publix promises. That's when, as a couponier, you know the price of the goods. So when I see the price wrong on the shelf and it rings up differently, you don't say anything. You cash out. Then I even do my ibotta so they don't mark my receipt, and then you tell them what the issue is. As these were marked 2 for $9 on the shelf, they ring up $5.49. This was marked $4.99 on the shelf. It rang up $5.39. So when that happens, Publix promise means these are free. The first one's free, and the other 2 are the price that's lower on the shelf. So all the links are in the details below on what I bought and what I used. I used digital coupons, manufacturer coupons, and I used ibotta. Everything we needed to make it happen. Got a printable for the Centrum. Got stacking these 2 Advil infants. Centrum again. Got the tea. Sundowns. Centrum's again store. Matching the Crunchmaster. Eqaul. And you got the $10 off. Also use digital coupons and ibotta. All the links are in the details below. So I got some Crunchmaster crackers. These were a manufacturer coupon and ibotta. This was store coupon, manufacturer coupon, store coupon, manufacturer coupon, store coupon, manufacturer coupon. This was Publix digital coupon. These were manufacturer coupons. This was digital coupon, 2 digital coupons and ibotta. This was a digital coupon. This was manufacturer coupon. This was digital coupon. This was ibotta. As I said, all the links of what I did are in the details below. So, please subscribe to that funny looking guy right there. And here's some more cool stuff right here. So this was kind of a weird week as of the new year. An amazing deal. These Centrums are on clearance for $5.19. I actually think they ring up $4.19. And use a manufacturer coupon and use a store coupon, and well, you won't need your wallet.